Hello and welcome back to Dav Facts Channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Mexican beef mince, a dish packed with flavor and health benefits that your family will love. But before we get into the secrets of cooking this delicious dish, let's talk about why it's worth trying at home. Mexican beef mince isn't just about taste, it's also a nutritious choice for your family. Lean ground beef is a fantastic source of protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. Plus, it's rich in vitamins and minerals like iron and zinc, which are crucial for overall health. Now, let's talk preparation. The beauty of Mexican beef mince lies in its simplicity and versatility. Start with lean ground beef and add your favorite veggies, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, the choice is yours. Season with traditional Mexican spices like cumin, chili powder, and paprika for that authentic flavor. But what makes this dish truly special is the love and care you put into it. Cooking for your family is not just about feeding their bodies, it's about nourishing their souls. And trust me, when they taste this Mexican beef mince, they'll feel the warmth and comfort of a home-cooked meal. However, it's essential to remember the importance of moderation. While Mexican beef mince is delicious and nutritious, overeating anything can have negative consequences for your health. So, savor each bite, but also listen to your body's signals. Now, let's talk secrets. The key to perfecting Mexican beef mince is balance, balancing flavors, textures, and ingredients. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices or vegetables to suit your taste preferences. So there you have it, foodies, the health benefits and secrets of cooking Mexican beef mince. Give it a try at home, and I guarantee your family will be asking for seconds. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy cooking. Remember, the joy of cooking lies in sharing it with the ones you love. Happy eating!